Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. So on that note, let's start this video. Here I am going to give you the probable reference solutions for week 5 assignment of Introduction to Artificial Intelligence course. So friends, these are my probable answers. I am giving these solutions for reference purpose only, and in this video I mention which strategy I have used to get the solutions. So if you want to correct my solutions, you can please give that in the comment section. If you differ from my solutions, you can please give what you think the exact answers in the comment section. So let's see the first question. Which of the following statements are true in context of alpha beta pruning? So for first question, I think option 1, the effectiveness of alpha beta pruning depends on order of moves encountered during the search. It is the correct answer. And the other one is option C, if alpha greater than or equal to beta at once one of its parents. So I think for first question the correct answers are option 1 and option 3. And moving on to the second one, here the next three questions will involve the following search tree. That means 2, 3 and 4. So they gave the diagram, the search tree like this. Here it is 30, 20, 30, 20, 25, 20, like that. I will zoom this for you actually. Now it may be somewhat clear compared to the previous one. So here they are asking the backed up value at the root node. So I have done this. You can see that here in this picture, this is the min-max tree. So in 30 and 20 we will select the minimum one, that is 20. Like that, out of these two leaf nodes we will select the minimum, and next we will select the maximum of these two, like this. So it will give 40, 20, 50 and 20 again. Then again we will perform minimum of these two. So from here 20 will be selected, and from here also 20 will be selected. And there is no minimum and maximum between 20 and 20 because those are same values. We will perform maximum. So maximum will definitely give again 20. So I think for second question the answer is 20. So here I am giving the answer as 20. Guys, if you think there is another answer or different approach should be followed, you can please mention it in the comment section. Every suggestion is invited. So for second question I think 20 is the answer. And moving on to the third one, assume that the successors are expanded from left to right. What is the number of nodes pruned by alpha beta pruning? So let's see the another picture. So if you see here, by alpha beta pruning we will get like this. So if you see here, these three nodes are pruned. They said we have to involve the leaf nodes also. So I am drawing this one, and whole of this one. So if you see the first one, second, third, fourth one, fifth one, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12 nodes are detached from this. So I think the answer for third question is 12. That is 12. 12 nodes are detached. That means 12 nodes are pruned. So guys, I think 12 is the answer for third question. If you guys got different answer, if you think that is correct, you can please mention it in the comment section. And moving on to the fourth one, assume the successors are expanded from right to left. In the previous one they gave left to right, so from right to left, what are the number of nodes including leaf nodes pruned by alpha beta pruning. I will show you the one more picture. So here I have given the values in the reverse order, so it will become right to left, I think. So I have given in the reverse order compared to previous one. So if we do like this, and we'll get only 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3, only 3 nodes got pruned. So for this fourth question, I think the answer is 3. Moving on to the fifth one, which of the following is true regarding fixed depth search and the horizon effect? So guys, for fifth question, the first option, continuing the search at non-quiescent positions can mitigate the horizon effect. Mitigate means lessen the effect. It means it reduces the effect of the horizon effect. So I think the first option is correct, and the other option is third option. Guys, I am not sure about third one, but I think it may be the answer, but I am thinking that first option is definitely correct and third option may be correct. I am not sure about third option, but it is mentioned the word catastrophe in the lecture videos, so I'm also mentioning the third one. So guys, if you know the exact answer, please mention in the comment section. And moving on to the sixth question, which of the following games are deterministic? So for sixth question, I have got two solutions for this. The first one is second option, go, and the other one is oath hello. So I think second and fourth options are correct answers for sixth question. And moving on to the seventh one, guys, from 7 to 10th questions, it is based on this table. So let's see what happened here. Aman and Bharat are two friends. Aman is planning an ice cream treat. They are not able to decide the location, brand and flavor to be purchased. So first Aman, here they have got idea. First Aman gets to choose the location between house cars and Connaught Place. So here there are two locations. Suppose it is two restaurants like that. You can compare with restaurants. There are two restaurants, Connaught Place and House Cars. First Aman decide which place to we have to go, whether Connaught Place or House Cars. And again, next Bharat chooses brand between Gyanis and Nirula. Here in both the places there are two brands, Gyani and Nirula's brand. So for every brand there are again two flavors, vanilla and chocolate. So then the flavor is chosen uniformly randomly between chocolate and vanilla later. So, and these are the costs of each brand and each flavor at each restaurant. So here additionally Aman wants to get by with spending as less money as possible, because he is actually giving the treat, right? So he wants to spend as much less money as possible, but Bharat is the one who gets the treat, so he wants to get maximum price. He want to make Aman spend maximum amount, so he wants to buy costly item. Who is that? Bharat wants to make Aman buy the maximum cost ice cream. So let's model this as a min-max tree with chance nodes and run expecting min-max search. So if both Bharat and Aman choose optimal and selfishly, which of the statements are correct? Guys, here I will follow some approach. First of all, listen what I am saying, and then if mention in the comment section whether this approach is correct or not. So I am giving per as this approach. I will show you now. First chance goes to Aman, right? Aman chooses which place they should go. So what is the Aman thinking means? He wants to spend less money, so he should see the which place will make him spend less amount. So for vanilla flavor, here compare first all vanilla flavors. So 20 is the least one, right? 20 is the least one, and there are two places with 20, Housecast and Connaught both have 20 in vanilla flavor. And let's see the chocolate. So where is the least price in chocolate? 30. 30 is the least price in chocolate. So both vanilla and chocolate are least at here, that means at Connaught place. And next it is Bharat's turn to choose which brand. So they go to Connaught place and compare with with Gianni and Nirula in only Connaught place only. So which is, I mean, only compare these two boxes. Now in vanilla, which is the maximum price? 30 is the maximum price, because in 30 and 20, 30 is maximum. Bharat want to spend maximum amount, so 30. And which is bigger price in chocolates? 50 is bigger when compared to the 30. So he selects Gianni flavor. So finally the answer we got is the place is Connaught and they select Gianni as the flavor. So guys, this is my approach, what I am thinking. So the answer will be they go to the location Connaught and they buy brand Gianni. So I think first and last options are correct answer for 7th question. And if both play 8th question, if both the players play optimally, determine the expected expenditure in rupees. So actually they did not mention properly, or actually they mention they order one or two items because there are two persons, right? So but they did not mention that they buy two items. So I am going with only they buy one ice cream, and it is a min max tree, right? First we choose minimum, that means Aman choose minimum, next Bharat choose maximum. Then what happens automatically next? It will be minimum, right? So finally what we have got, that in Gianni flavor, in the Connaught place, in Gianni flavor 30 or 50 will be remain. So the next minimum should, if we consider minimum because it is a min max tree, so among 30 and 50, 30 is selected, right? So I think 30 is the answer for the 8th question. Or if both wants to choose their respective flavors, then it Aman chooses the least one, Bharat chooses the highest one, so it may become 80. So I am not considering this case. I am considering that which is minimum and they only select only one ice cream. So next chance is goes for minimum, right? So I think 30 is the answer. So guys, if you differ from my answer, you can give your own answers in the comment section. I have already told this is the probable solutions only. So for 8th question I am going with 30 as the answer. Moving on to the 9th question. Which of the following statements are true for the expected minimax tree and alpha beta pruning for the problem? So for 9th question, I have got the solution. I think for 9th question first option is correct. So I'm going with only one option and I'm not sure about the other options, so I am only marking first option. If you guys know the exact answer, please mention in the comment section. And moving on to 10th one, suppose the order of decisions is changed as follows. First Bharat chooses which brand should be selected in between Gianna and Nirula, and Aman chooses the second preference among the locations. Guys, actually location is already chosen by Aman in the first case also, but here the order changes. Location is determined by Aman, mean selected by Aman. Brand is selected by Bharat as usually, but the order will be reversed. First Bharat chooses the brand and next Aman chooses the place. So let's see what happens now. In the previous case, in original case, the expenditure we have got is 30. Let's see what happens now. Here in the given question, guys, this is my approach, what I am thinking. So you can have different solutions. So I am thinking like this. First Bharat chooses. Bharat want to maximize, right? So Bharat chooses the brand. So in vanilla flavor, which is the highest one? It is 40 in Nirula brand. And let's compare for chocolate also. If you compare chocolate also, only 60 is the highest. That is also belonging to Nirula. So they go for Nirula. Next Aman. Aman will choose the brand same only, but he chooses in Nirula brand which place will have the least one. So in house cost it is highest, right? House cost it is highest. So I think he will go for Connaught place. So Connaught will be the place and Nirula will be the brand. And next, first of all we have chosen maximum, right? In Bharat case. Next we have chosen minimum. So I think next we will choose the maximum again. So the final expenditure maximum, that means in Connaught place, I will rub all this and again show you. So finally they will select this one, right? In Nirula and Connaught place. So here it should be maximum now, because Bharat first shows maximum and Aman shows minimum, and next it should be again maximum. So in 20 and 30, which flavor is maximum? 30. So I think the final answer is, new expenditure is also 30. In previous case also it is 30. So finally I think both, here E dash means new expected expenditure 30 and original case also 30. So I think option A, first option E dash equals to E is the probable answer. So friends, I have clearly explained with which process I have got the solution. It may or may not be correct, but if you know the exact answers, please contribute towards the video comment section, so others will also be able to mark those solutions. So hope this video will be helpful for your reference. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share this to your friends. If you know the exact solution, please ask me in the comment section. Please mention in the comment section. So for further more videos like this and also regarding other courses, please keep supporting our channel. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.